Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the next topic of the decimals, that is comparison of decimals. Yes students, in this comparison of decimals, firstly you have to take care that whether the statement is given in unlike decimals or like decimals. Yes, here two types of statements possible. If it is given in like decimals, then directly go with comparison. Yes, and it is given in unlike decimals. If unlike decimals are given to us to compare, then what to do? Convert in like decimals. Firstly convert in like decimals. After that we can go for the comparison. Yes, if like decimals are given, then directly go with comparison. If unlike decimals are given, then firstly convert them in like decimals, then we can compare them. Yes, now let's move to sum number 1, that is of exercise 7.5. Here first sum is there. For each pair of the decimals, which is greater? We have to tell which is greater. Yes, as first A part is there, 21.562 or 21.325. Yes, now see here how to solve. First sum, A part is there of exercise 7.5. Yes, A part is there. The statement is 21.562 or 21.325. Now here students, as we observe the statement, it is in like decimals. It is in like decimals because after decimal 3 digits and here also after decimal 3 digits. So these are like decimals. Then how to compare like decimals? Yes, when we have to compare these, firstly we will compare before decimal part. This whole part firstly we will do comparison. And here before decimal, here it is 21 and before decimal here is 21. These both are same. If the whole part is same, then we will go for the comparison with the decimal part. In the decimal part you can see here 562 and it is 325. Yes, now which is greater? 562 is greater. So this full decimal number is greater than 21.325. So what we will write here? We will write 21.562 is greater than 21.325. Yes, like this we will write this statement. Yes, after that I will tell you C part, 0.4 or 0.34. Yes, now how to do comparison here? Firstly we will see whether these are like decimals or unlike decimals, and here we can see these are unlike decimals. Here is 4 and here is 34. Yes, so what we will do? We will make these like decimals by putting 1 0. Yes, now we will do the comparison. Firstly, before the decimal, here it is 0, here it is 0. We are unable to compare. So after decimal, here is 40 and here after decimal it is 34. So 40 and 34, which is greater? 40 is greater. So what we will write? We will write 0.40 is greater than 0.34. Yes, in the same way we will do E part. What is there in E part? 2.52 or 25.2. Yes, and as we observed, these are the unlike decimals. We will convert them into like decimals. 2.52 or 25.20. Yes, after that we have to do comparison. Firstly we will compare whole part. Here it is 2 and here it is 25. which is greater? 25 is greater, so this decimal number will be greater. So here we will write 25.20 is greater than 2.52. Yes, in the same way you will do F part, and in the same way you have to do sum number 2. Here we will do sum number 2. Compare the given parts of pairs of numbers. Put the symbols greater than, less than, or is equal to in the box. Yes, as already I have told you, as we have done sum number 1, in the same way we will do sum number 2. Firstly we will write them in like decimals. After that we will do the comparison of whole part. If whole part is same, then we will compare decimal part. After that we will come to know which is greater and which is smaller and which both are equal. Yes, now let's move to sum number 3. Here it is, arrange the following decimal numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following decimal numbers in ascending order. As already we have done ascending, descending in chapter 1. What is ascending? This is ascending, from smaller to bigger. Yes, smaller to bigger. This is the ascending order. Yes, now there is the ascending of the decimal numbers. See how we will do. Here it is sum number 3, A part. 0.8, 0.17, 0.315. Firstly, these are unlike decimals. We will make these like decimals. 0.800, 0.170, 0.315. Now ascending order. For ascending order, firstly we will write the smaller number from here. Yes, here you can see the whole part is same, so we will compare decimal part. In the decimal part it is 800, it is 170, and it is 315. 170 is the smallest, so here firstly we will write this number. After that 315 we will write this number. After that this will be written. Yes friends, when you were in junior classes, then we were putting the commas, but here we have to use the symbol. This is a smaller, this is bigger, so this symbol will be there, and after that this symbol will be used. In ascending order and descending order, now you have to use these type of the symbols. Don't use comma. Yes, after that B part is there. 0.202, 3.216, 3.13. Here unlike decimals, so what we will do? Like decimals we will make these. Now these are the like decimals. Now ascending order. In ascending order we will compare whole part, and in whole part this is the smallest, so we will write this firstly. This is written. Now 3.216, 3.130. Whole part is same, so we will compare decimal part. 130 is smaller, so we will write it firstly. Then in the last we will write 3.216. Then this symbol will be written in ascending order. Yes beta. Now we will move to sum number 4. In sum number 4, descending order is there. Descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Yes. Now see how to do this. In the same way, firstly we will convert into like decimals. A part is there. Sum number 4, A part. 9.82, 1.07 and 8.21. Now we have observed the statement that these are the like decimals. Yes, then directly we will go with the comparison. We will write these in descending order. In descending order, firstly bigger. So here we will compare whole part. Yes, firstly bigger is 9. So we will write it 9.82. After that it will be the turn of 8. Then at the last we will write the smallest, that is 1.07. So bigger is written firstly, so this symbol will be written in between of these numbers. Yes. Now let's move to sum number part D. Yes, 6.181, then 61.81, then 618.1. So these are unlike decimals. We will convert these into like decimals. 6.181, after that 61.810, because after decimal 3 digits here, 3 here, then 618.100. Now these are the like decimals. Now we will write the descending order of these. In descending order, firstly the bigger number. Yes, when we observe whole part 6, 61, 618. So 618 will be written firstly. The complete statement of 618 is this. Then after that 61. Then 6.181. So this symbol will be put here in between of these numbers. Yes students, in the same way you will do A and D I have done. You will do B and C part by yourself. Now let's move to sum number 5. What is there in sum number 5? Irfan has rupees 80 and 50 paise and Tina has rupees 850 paise. Who has got more money? Here we have to tell who is having the more money. Firstly we will see these are like decimals or unlike. Here as we observed, these are the like decimals. So we will compare whole part. Here is 80 and here is 800. Obviously 800 is greater. So what we will write? We will write Tina has, who has got more money? We will write Tina has got more money. Yes, in one sentence we will write the answer. Tina has got more money. Yes. After that, which road is longer? Road A 15.150 km and road B 30.350 km. As we observed, these are which decimals? These are like decimals. So we will compare whole part. In whole part, here it is 15 and here it is 30. Which is greater? 30 is greater. So road B is longer. That number is greater, that road is longer. So here we will write road B is longer than road A. Yes friends, now you will complete this exercise in your maths notebooks and you will also do the revision of this exercise. Thanks and have a beautiful day.